Hey guys, alright, so on this video I'm going to be going over our practice worksheet. This is just like the one we did in our interactive notebooks in class. This is just to kind of give you a refresh and a review over this. Your assessment in your Google Classroom is just like this pretty much. You are allowed to use your Gallon Man that is provided for you, and you can use the helpful hints that I sent as well. So this should be an easy review. The other practice page and assessment might be a little tougher, but you can check out the videos for those answers as well. So any questions, send me an email. I say that in all my videos, so I don't want you to think that you're bothering me. Send them. That's what I'm here for. So in this first example, let's read the example box. It says 4 feet equals how many inches? So it says first you will find the rule that will change your first unit to the second unit. So 1 foot equals 12 inches. Well, if we have 4 feet, all we would have to do is multiply 12 times 4 because 1 foot has 12 inches. So if we have 4 feet, each of those feet have 12 inches in them. So we can work that out over here. So 12 times 4 equals 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 1 is 48. So therefore, the answer to that first blank should be 48 inches. So the rule for feet to inches is times 12. So that's just like what we did. And then add your problem to the table and solve. So then 4 feet times 12 equals 48. So 4 feet equals 48 inches. Okay, so let's move on to the practice. I have it written over here so I can write it so we can keep up with it. So practice 1, it says gallons to pints. So 1 gallon equals 8 pints. So this is pretty much our basic facts, because in this our rule would be just multiply by 8. So we have 1 times 8 is 8. So therefore 3 times 8 would be 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 8 is 64. And 10 times 8 is 80. So the rule here is just like our practice. It is multiplying by 8. Okay, so that is our first practice 1. And then on practice 2, we go from pounds to ounces. So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So therefore, our rule on this one would be to multiply 16. So right here, 1 times 16 equals 16. So therefore, on 2 times 16, we could multiply 16 times 2, which would be 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1, 2, plus 1 is 3. So therefore, it's 32. So then 3 times 16, I'm going to go ahead and write times 16 on all of these. So then 3 times 16, we would work it out. It would be 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, 48. And then we're going to just keep working them out. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 80. So therefore, 5 times 16 is 80. 16 times 6, that's 36. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So 16 times 6 is 96. So 6 pounds equals 96 ounces. And then 16 times 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12, which is 128. So this was a pretty easy and quick review. These are very good practices. These are T-tables. They're very good practice for your assessment. So in your interactive notebook, there are more that we have went over. So if you want more practice or need to use the other rules or just want to go further with this, you're more than welcome to. They are in your interactive notebook, and so are the hints and your Gallon Man. So don't forget to use those to answer these questions. If you have any questions, just let me know.